Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option battery. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom, actually, almost to the very bottom. No, not to the very bottom. I forgot that we've got also the list of apps here. Basically scroll all the way down in this specific section and tap on more settings. Here let's tap on battery percentage, and as you can see here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So at the top we can display only the battery icon. We can display it inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, so it is much more visible than it was before, and also don't display battery icon at all, and at the same time the device will not display the percentage either. So simply choose the option which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.